The Philippines is preparing to significantly enhance its maritime monitoring and fisheries protection capabilities with the planned acquisition of a new class of multi-mission offshore vessels, or MMOVs, for the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. While the Philippine Navy and Philippine Coast Guard often receive the spotlight when discussing maritime security, BFAR plays an equally important role in safeguarding the country's vast marine resources and protecting Filipino fishermen operating across some of the most strategically important waters in Southeast Asia. Information regarding this upcoming vessel program emerged during the PhilMarine Exposition 2026, where maritime industry stakeholders gathered to showcase the latest developments in shipbuilding, naval technologies, and offshore solutions. During the event, visitors had the opportunity to view a scale model of the new MMOV 5201 displayed at the exhibit area of Dynacast Shipbuilding and Repairs Incorporated. The model offered the first public glimpse into what could become BFAR's most capable offshore vessel to date, representing another important step in the Philippines' broader effort to strengthen maritime governance and improve operational presence throughout the country's extensive exclusive economic zone. According to company representatives, Dynacast Shipbuilding has been selected to construct this new class of multi-mission offshore vessels. Initial plans reportedly call for at least 2 vessels to be built at the company's shipyard in Danao City, Cebu, although the final fleet size has not yet been officially disclosed. What makes this development particularly noteworthy is the size and capability of the proposed vessel. The MMOV 5201 will reportedly have a displacement of approximately 650 tons. To put that into perspective, this places it just slightly below the Philippine Navy's Jacinto-class patrol vessels, which displace around 700 tons. For an agency primarily tasked with fisheries protection and resource monitoring, operating vessels of this size represents a substantial enhancement in offshore capability. The vessel will measure approximately 51 meters in length and feature a beam of 9 meters. Combined with a projected maximum speed of 18 knots at full load, the new MMOV 521 will be capable of conducting extended class of vessel ever operated by the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. This increase in size is not simply about prestige or appearance. Larger vessels provide greater endurance, improved seakeeping performance in rough weather, increased fuel capacity, larger accommodations for personnel, and additional space for mission equipment. The introduction of the MOV 5201 appears designed specifically to address these challenges. By expanding the operational reach of BFAR, the agency can increase patrol coverage in key fishing areas throughout the country's waters. This capability becomes especially important in regions where foreign fishing vessels frequently operate. In recent years, BFAR vessels have become increasingly visible in areas of strategic importance, particularly within the West Philippine Sea. These missions often involve supporting Filipino fishermen, monitoring fishing activities, gathering maritime domain awareness data gathering, and asserting the country's sovereign rights over its marine resources. While BFAR is not a military organization, its activities contribute directly to the Philippines' broader maritime strategy. The presence of government vessels in contested waters serves multiple purposes. It reassures local fishing communities, demonstrates government commitment to resource protection, and helps maintain a continuous Philippine presence in areas where foreign maritime actors are increasingly active. This is one reason why the acquisition of larger and more capable vessels carries significance beyond fisheries management alone. Currently, BFAR operates several classes of multi-mission offshore vessels. These include the 50-meter Lapu-Lapu class, the 40-meter Datu Bogo class, and the 30-meter Datu Caballo class. All of these vessels were built by Josefa Slipways and have served as the backbone of BFAR's offshore patrol capability. These ships have proven valuable in fisheries enforcement, maritime monitoring, scientific missions, and humanitarian operations. However, the growing complexity of maritime challenges facing the Philippines has created demand for vessels with greater endurance and expanded operational flexibility. The MMOV-5201 appears to be the logical next evolution in this capability development process. The modernization of BFAR's fleet complements ongoing efforts by both the Philippine Navy and Coast Guard to expand their capabilities through new ships, aircraft, surveillance systems, and maritime infrastructure. In this sense, every new vessel added to BFAR's inventory contributes to a larger national objective, strengthening the Philippines' ability to manage, protect, and utilize its maritime domain effectively. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Philippine defense and modernization. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.